Our mission at CCM Overhead Doors in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma is to work closely with each of our clients in providing affordable quality products from top manufacturers in our industry. We carry quality doors, openers, and commercial overhead doors. Our service team is available for repair, installation, and other quality service for a variety of garage door systems. The foundation of our company is built on honesty, integrity, and reliability. For more information, call today at 405-563-8982.